Imagine being able to earn life-changing amount of money just by creating videos that are generated using AI. It sounds like a dream, but it's not. This is actually happening right now. AI is here and it's already changing people's life. Let me just show you an example of this one channel. This video here has 52 million views and it's just a simple AI video with sound effects. This channel here has 1.9 million subscribers. It has 41 videos and it's racking in around 28 million views a day. According to Social Blade, these videos are making the owner around 80k to about a million every month. And this is not the only channel. There's this one, this one, this one, this one. I could keep on going with this. I'm sure you're asking yourself, like, how come these channels are blowing up and getting millions of views like that? It's simple. AI is unlocking a whole new style of video generation. It's something fresh. It's something that we haven't seen before. And these videos, they're short, they're insanely engaging. The craziest thing is that they're so simple to create. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can create your own AI generated short video and potentially join the creators that are cashing in the AI revolution. I mean, why not? And without wasting any more of your time, let's get to it. Step one, you will need to write a script. For this, you can use any of the large language models. You can use ChatGPT, which is free with limits, but it will get the job done. You can also use DeepSeek, which is 100% free. Or if you have an X account, you can use Grok, which is also free with limits, but again, it will still get the job done. To generate your script, you just need to prompt for a story. For example, I did write a short fun mini animation stories with two characters, a dog and a cat. As you can see from this, I'm more specific that I want a dog and a cat because I know what characters I want to work with. If you don't know what characters you want to work with, you can leave that section free and ChatGPT will generate the characters for you. And just like that, I have a short story with 4 scenes. And if you want a longer story with longer scenes, all you have to do is be specific to ChatGPT. You can tell it something like add 2 more scenes to the story and ChatGPT will do that. Now that I have the script, I need prompts to help me bring my story to life. This step is very important because if you want ChatGPT to generate prompts that will give you consistent character in all different scenes, the description of the character in a prompt has to be very specific and detailed. You will also need the prompts for the different scenes, which are the visual prompts, the motion prompts, and the dialogue. And thanks to AI, ChatGPT will generate this for you in minutes. For this, I use this prompt. Now write prompts for the scene. Please include text to image, motion prompts for image to video, and dialogue. Also write prompts for each character in detail to maintain consistency in the character look across all the scenes. Describe the character in paragraph form, please. All right, so the prompts are ready. As you can see, I have 2 prompts for my 2 characters, and for each scene I have 2 other prompts, which is the text to image and the prompt for the motion, which is the image to video, and the dialogue, which is exactly what I wanted. And in less than 3 minutes, I've got my story and I'm good to go to the next step. Step 2, the visuals. This is where we need to generate the images that we use to generate the videos with. The reason why it's best to generate the images first is that it will give you more control on how your videos will look. And for this, I'll show you an AI tool that is perfect for this. It's free and it will generate amazing animated images. But before we can do that, let's combine our prompt ready to go. So for this, I need you to open a blank page. This can be on Word, Google Doc, it doesn't matter. Once that's done, go on ChatGPT and copy the prompt for your first scene, paste it on the blank page, and then whatever character is on that scene 1, go back onto ChatGPT and copy the prompt for that character and paste it here. This could be 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters, it doesn't matter. Paste them here, which means our first scene is combined with the scene and the characters. Once that's ready, you can copy that, and then now I'll show you where you can generate the images. All right, so the tool I'll be using to do this is Piclumen. It's free to use, like I said. So to do this, just go to piclumen.com, click on launch, click on create, and on this section here you can choose what aspect ratio that you want your videos to be generated with. For short videos, it's best to use 9:6, which is the same as the TikTok videos, blah 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 blah. And then you can choose how many generations you want. So you can choose 1, 2 for a free version of this, or 3 free for if you have a paid version. And then the prompts that we copied from the blank page, we'll paste it here and click on generate. And within minutes, we've got the images. You need to repeat this process for all the scenes that you have. The same thing. Copy the prompt for the scene, copy the prompt for all the characters that are in that scene, put them together. Once that's ready, copy the whole thing, go back and generate the images. And once you do that, you will have all your images ready for the next step. Step 3 is for the audio. To generate this, we'll go on 11 Lab, which is what most people are familiar with. And if you want a link, it'll be on the description down below. Once you've registered and you have an account, click on Voices, and then again on Library, and it should bring you to this page. On this page here, you have a variety of different voices from different categories that you can use for any of the videos that you generate. So it's just a matter of finding which of the voices suits you best. Or you can filter by choosing your preferred language, so maybe you like English, Chinese, or if you prefer a specific accent, which is American, British, or Irish. You can also search using keywords. For example, let's say you want kids sounds, you just type in kids. Another way is that you can choose a specific category that you like. You could choose from character and animation or social media. As for me, I found the 2 voices that are perfect for my characters. This is my first one, which will be the dog's voice.
Are you ready to learn about the world with Freddy Confetti? Join me as we dive into the wonderful world of...
And to use this, I'll just click on add. And this one here is the one that I think is perfect for the cat.
Welcome to the most magnificent...
To use this again, I'll just click on add. Now I'll click on text to speech, which means I'm ready to get started. And I'll start with the dog. I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll copy all the dialogue text for the dog. And one by one, I'll generate them. And then I'll do the same thing for the cat.
Mittens, do you smell that? That's the bacon. Mittens, do you smell that? That's the bacon. Fridge, bad fridge, give back the ham. Fridge, bad fridge, give back the ham.
I'm sure you get the point. After a few minutes, all the audios were ready. I ran some of them more than once if I wasn't happy, but this is what I've got and I'm happy with it. To download the audio, all you have to do is just click on download, and that's that. So now I'm ready for the next step. For step 4, we're generating the video. For this step, I'll be using Kling AI. If you don't have a Kling account, the link will be on the description down below. Once you've registered, it will bring you to this page here. To be clear, Kling is not free. The cheapest plan will cost you around $6.99 per month. On the menu section here, click on video and it will bring you to this page here. On the top section, make sure you've selected Kling 1.6, which is the cheapest mode to use, and you will get the job done. On this section, make sure you've selected image to video, which will allow you to upload an image to use as the first frame of your video. And if you click on this little plus sign here, you'll be able to upload your first image. And then from here, go back to ChatGPT and copy the motion prompt for your first scene and paste it here. Just a quick tip, if you want to have your character look like he's talking so that you can add speech to the video, all you have to do is prompt it something like a man talking, a cat talking, a dog talking, and that's all you have to do if you want to have your character talking. On this section here, make sure you've chosen the professional mode. On this section here, you can choose whether you want a 5-second video or 10-second video. My advice will be to generate a 5-second video, and then if you want a longer, all you have to do is extend it. And on this section, you can choose whether you want 1 output, 2 output, 3 outputs. Again, this is all up to you, but 1 output will be cheaper than 2 outputs. And on this section where is the creativity section, I normally leave it on default and I don't do anything else, and then click on generate. And before you know it, bang, there's my video, it's ready. So from here, all you have to do is repeat this process because you've done all the settings. So all you have to do is literally upload an image and put the prompt, generate. Upload an image, put the prompt, and generate the video. And that's that when it comes to Kling. And then now we can go to the next step. Step 5, which is the final step, is putting your video together. First thing first is where will you be editing this video? You can do this on CapCut or you can do this on any other software that's out there. As for me, I'll be using Filmora. I've uploaded all the videos in an organized manner, meaning scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, all of them following each other. And the second thing is I've uploaded all the audio that I generated on 11 Lab, again, in an organized manner. The audio for scene 1 goes with the clip for scene 1, scene 2 with the audio, scene 3, and so forth. You get my point.
Mittens, do you smell that? That's the bacon.
Obviously, it's been sizzling for 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Time to initiate Operation Snack Snatch.
The third thing I've done is I've added sound effects to the videos. To find sound effects to use, you can find this on the YouTube library, and obviously it's whatever sound effects goes with your video or whatever you want to add.
Uh-oh.
Did we win?
We feasted, you lovable lunatic.
The last thing that I've done to this video is I've added a soundtrack for music. This is another thing to make your video a bit more interesting. Again, you can get the music from YouTube library. It's free to use. You can monetize it.
Mittens, do you smell that? That's the bacon.
Obviously, it's been sizzling for 6.
And after that, all you have to do is export your video and it's ready to upload.
Mittens, do you smell that? That's the bacon.
Obviously, it's been sizzling for 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Time to initiate Operation Snack Snatch. You bark at the fridge like it owes you a treat. When the human comes to check, I grab the goods. Uh-oh.
Did we win?
We feasted, you lovable lunatic.
You're the best partner in snack crime ever.
And you, my fluffy distraction, are an artist of chaos.
And lastly, I mentioned that I will give you an extra tip how you can even make more money with these videos. So you can upload them on YouTube Shorts, and then you can take the same video and upload it on TikTok, which you can monetize as well. You can also upload this on X, which again is another social media platform that you can monetize, and you can even put it on Instagram Reels to get more traffic to your YouTube channel. That's just a way that you could do to maximize any money that you're going to make away from these videos. And if you do end up making a video or creating a channel, please share with us and let us know your journey. I would love to hear this. Thank you for watching. My name is Abigail. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give that like. It helps. Don't forget to subscribe for some more videos like this. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.